Let's go Aussie, let's go. Let's go Aussie, let's go. Let's go Aussie, let's go. Fucking hell, that's a lot of minis.
Mini party.
Major party.
Alright, let's go. Dragon Train, $5. What you got in store for us, brother? Let's go.
I can do it.
Yes.
Oh shit.
Straight off the bat.
Nice. They're big ones. A couple of big more.
Do it again.
Oh, 20. That's massive. Whoa.
Bigger.
Oh,
Come on, bigger.
still going. Oh. One more for the grand. Is that the grand if you get it?
I'm not too sure. That's not too bad. Nice.
I don't think it's a grand, is it? If you fill it up.
Maybe one day we'll find out, but I'm happy with that.
Beggars can't be choosers.
The 350 coin right there.
Pretty good.
Oh, there's 100 there.
Yeah.
I didn't realise.
Not bad.
I didn't realise.